It's time for a mystery box. This mystery box comes with a brand new color of Cutie. This is the Sky Cutie. Brand new color. Please use the link in the description. I get a small commission from that. If you use that link and you can't get it to go anywhere, just copy and paste it into your browser. This is a Cricut Access exclusive mystery box. So if you don't have Cricut Access, you can't purchase this, but you can purchase Cricut Access for as little as $9.99 a month. And then you get 10% off everything you buy, including the mystery box. You can cancel your membership at any time. Okay, now who wants to see what else is in the box? These are going to sell out fast, so you might want to pause the video, purchase the mystery box, and come back if you want that Cutie. Premium vinyl holographic threads. Look at that. Do you see that? See how cool that is? It's really cool. This is a good box. You get 2 rolls of removable vinyl, one in Whispering Blue and one in Midnight Blue. These are removable. I use removable on my car. I don't put permanent on my car. Removable lasts for up to 3 years. Mine lasted 4. It actually lasted longer, but I took it off because I traded in the car. You get a 5-pack of washable pens, so you can use these on fabric and they wash right out. These do fit in the Cricut Explorer, Cricut Maker families, and a True Control knife. I love this tool. If you don't have it, you need it. I use it all the time. I love this. You get removable pattern vinyl. This is the Beetle blue sampler. I love this. Some of you may have this paper. I love this paper. And now they have vinyl. You can use vinyl on your cards and on other projects. You can use this to decorate things. You get 6 sheets in 3 different patterns of 12 by 12. Now this is pattern iron-on. This is also a sampler. It's the filigree blue sampler. And like they put it a butterfly on a bag. They put it on the pocket of the shirt. Can't wait to see what you make with it. In light blue, you get permanent shimmer vinyl. See the sparkles? It's so pretty. Again, you can use this to decorate anything. It's permanent. You can put it on glasses or anything you want to decorate. They put it on cell phones, notebooks. You get 4 feet of this. This may go really fast. It may not last more than an hour, so click the link in the description below if you want this box. My code is Cutie. If you want to add more to your cart, you can use my code Cutie to get 10% off everything else. If you missed this box, make sure you're subscribed and you click that bell on YouTube so you get notified every time I upload a video. You can also sign up for my email. It's in the description below, and I will send you an email out every time there's a mystery box. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.